Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with PressureWashTraining.com. So, today I want to talk to you about employees and their pay. More on their pay. So, we have paid them hourly, we have paid them percentage, we have paid them by the job. We've tried to pay and keep employees however we can pay. So, what we found works best for us is we have paid in the past by hourly. And hourly works well. The issues you can run into hourly is what takes you an hour to do a house wash will take them 2 hours to do a house wash. Just the way it is. Because they don't care as much as you do, obviously. And you can try to do as much as you can to make them want to go work and do that house wash faster. So the what we have found that works best for us is on the percent style. So the way we do it is this is just one way. So you can do hourly. Hourly, we were paying our crew leaders anywhere between $15 and $20 an hour, more like the $20 an hour side, and we were paying our crew our helpers from $12 to 15, more so on the $15 an hour because you can't find employees. If you want to check out about employees, check out this video. So, with that being said, the percentage wise has been what's worked best for us for pressure washing. And I'll tell you a couple reasons why it has worked best for us. One, we know what that number is at the end of the day. We know that if we go do a job, it's going to cost us 15%. Now, this is not without a helper. Usually we set our trucks up so one man goes out. Now, we do have helpers, and they will go out with people, and that's kind of how we train them to start out. But one guy for 15%. And what we actually do is try to throw an incentive in there. And our incentive is it's up to 18%. You can go more, you can go whatever you want. But the goal of that is A, no callbacks for the week. B, your truck's clean. C, you show up on time and do what you're supposed to do. All right, so three little things, right? Simple. Good luck on finding an employee can hit those three things every week. It's not going to happen. We barely sell them, give that extra 3%. So normally we stay with the 15%. So 15% of every job goes to our employee. Now, with that being said, the good thing about 15%, yes, so our goal is to book our truck 3 jobs a day. And our average ticket is right around $450. That's our average. So that puts us at about the $1,200 mark per day per truck. That is what we shoot for our trucks. Now, you can shoot for more than that. When I was on the truck by myself, I was averaging $1,800 to $2,000 a day. But that's me, not an employee. Can an employee do that much? Absolutely. If you get one or two roof cleanings and you're there, you get there real quick. But we also got 4 trucks running, so we kind of got to split out our bigger jobs with our smaller jobs so that we can keep all trucks at at $1,200. 3 jobs. Now, when I was out, it was usually 4 jobs. I would do 4 jobs a day. I'm faster at getting stuff clean. I know how to get it clean fast. I know all the techniques and what you got to do to get it done. So we don't want to kill our employees. We want to keep them coming back so that way we can keep making money and not have to worry about cleaning as much. We can grow our business versus working in our business. Now, that being said, employees can have their own things of working out. So, but again, so our what we try to do is 15%, so $1,200 a day, which is $180 a day. Most time our guys can get that done in about 6 to 8 hours, and 8 hours being the fewer side of things. 3 jobs, that's 2 hours apiece, which is plenty, which is a lot. That's 6 hours plus a little bit of drive time. Usually you can get done in about 6, 7 hours and making $180. Now, could we pay $20 an hour and get that cheaper? Yeah, you can. But then that same thing might backfire on you. It's probably going to be, they're going to be working overtime on you and all this other stuff. So but that also being said, if you have a good or a great employee, they will get back at 6 hours and they're happy because they made $180 and they're not going to make that nowhere else. So that's why we stick with the 15%. That is just how we've done it, and it worked good. We did it all last year of 2018, and it worked phenomenal. So we'll see how 2019 comes, but the 2018, it worked great. So again, if you want to go the other way of the hourly, we did that for 2 years. And the third year was really our successful year. And the good thing of it is especially with your numbers, you know how much your labor is going to cost. If you go in and bid a job at $1,000, and it's going to be 18 or 15%. It's going to be $150 to your employee. So it makes it a lot easier for you to know your numbers and to be exact. Because if you do it the other way, what if it takes 10 hours? Well, now if they're already at 40 and you got overtime, and it kind of it just makes it easier for her. And we do big commercial jobs. If they do a big commercial job and get a $3,000 day, it was a good day for them, a real good day. So, because our commercial, we try to book it at about $2,000 a day. So if they can do a $2,000 day, they're sitting pretty, And usually a commercial job may only take 7, 8 hours, and they made good money. So that's how we've done it. Like I said, we've done it in the past of hourly. We've done it in the past that, and even if you say if you want to throw an incentive in there. So say, maybe I want to pay them 15%, but I'm going to set that 3% to the side for them for something. Maybe you find out that they need something. You can buy that for them, or give them gift cards so they can take their spouse out to dinner or their whole family out to dinner. And that way, money isn't everything for everybody. I know a lot of people make a lot of money and they're miserable. They hate life. I don't want to, maybe they don't care about money as much as you think they do. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please ask them down in the comments. I really want to help you grow your business. I want you to be the best you can be, and I want you to succeed at what you do. I don't want you to fail. I really don't want you to fail this year. I want you to succeed. So please comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day. If you would like to learn about Christmas lights, please check out this video. It's if you're looking for something to do in wintertime, or you might want to do it as a hobby, or if you want to learn more about pressure washing, check out this playlist here. Thank you and have a great day.